going to shoot 2 out of the right barrel first, and 2 out of the left. Whew. Forgot how much kick that has. Whew. All right, well, that's just the right barrel. 1, 2, 3, about 5 inches over the center. So that's good. I'm glad that's right there. So we're going to mark that right. Mark that right. Now we'll go back and shoot the left. All right, now we're going to shoot 2 out of the left. You'll see where that one is. Well, they almost look perfect, but they're not. Left. So I need to bring the wedge in, heat up the barrels, bring the wedge in, bring this left barrel to the left more. Let's go and do it. Get some solder on here, some flux. We're going to let that cool for a while. We're going to tip it upside down so the solder doesn't ball up in there. Meantime, they're sighting in my wife's gun for my daughter this next week after. We're going youth hunting here in Vermont, so 7mm weight, shooting 120 grain bullet. Gonna see where she hits. Actually, I'm gonna bore sight it first, the old school way. Try it out. Made the adjustments, now we're going to shoot again. I think that's dead money. Oh yeah. Let's go take a look. Alright, so 7mm 08, first two shots, made an adjustment, got up to here. Second adjustment, we're good. We're shooting at 50 yards here, so at 100 we're dead nuts. So we made the adjustment. Now we're gonna, barrels have cooled, now we're gonna take 2 shots out of the right barrel and then 2 shots out of the left. And I swabbed the barrels right after, keep those clean. So let's see what she does. Gotta raise it up again. Man, that is punishing. Oh, looks like she's still shooting high on the right barrel. Alright, so they're shooting high again. Just a little bit above the last shots on the right. So we're going to take 2 shots on the left. Okay, let's go look. Alright everybody, so I've been doing a lot of work off camera because it's just getting, it's time consuming. So I took 2 left shots, 2 out of the left barrel, and 2 out of the right. So I've been bringing the right barrel down. And that's what I wanted to do because I wanted to line up right in here with the left barrel. So I've been heating the barrels up and making an adjustment on the right barrel, locking the left barrel down, and then bringing this down. This was a lot farther, as you can tell up here. Up in here, and then in here. But I'm getting closer on that. Everybody, so I'm going to wrap it up here. My shoulder is killing me. So, end result is right here. I'd shot these a while ago, but this is the end result. It's about 1.5 inches apart. I think I'm going to go with that. That's still not bad. This is what I had before. left and right, which is about 2 inches. There's side by side there, but I think right here was I jerked the trigger. So I'm going to go with that. All right, everybody. So at the end of the video, I said I'm going to wrap it up here. Shooting the double rifle. I ended up staying out there a little bit longer. I just wanted to see what I could do, push that gun to the limit and see what I could do with it. I had 6 rounds left of it. So I was like, well, I might as well just sit here and figure out if I can get this thing to shoot better. So I ended up shooting 2 more shots. They were getting closer, and then I ended up heating the barrels up and getting those set. Let them cool completely down. I let them get cold, clean the barrels, and then I ended up shooting 2 more shots. That's what I got. They are within an inch of each other. They're real close. So I was really excited for that, just because now I know the gun is shooting at 50 yards, and out to 75 it should be a little bit closer. That's all I'm guessing with it. But the next video I'm going to do on this gun, on the double rifle, is I'm going to be reblowing the barrels and doing the receiver, and then taking out deer hunting this year. So stay tuned for those, and I just want to say thank you all for subscribing and watching, and hope to see you guys on the next videos.